Make contact to the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, and Mining. Agency in Jamaica, 8769486933, email fisheries@moa.gov.jm. Let them be aware of your interest to have your fishing vessel registered and licensed. What are you waiting on? Go ahead and make that call. Once a successful contact is made to the Ministry of Agriculture Fisheries Division, your case will be referred to one of the Ministry's fishery inspector for the licensing process to be done within your area in Jamaica. Be prepared to present documents indicating proof of ownership for the artisanal fishing vessel and vessel boat engine for the artisanal vessel to be licensed and registered within Jamaica. If proof of ownership for the vessel and engine cannot be proven, a written recommendation from a justice of the peace notary public should be issued to the fishery inspector verifying ownership for the artisanal fishing vessel and engine prior to the application of licensing of the vessel. Fees for each fishing vessel registration and licensing varies in Jamaica. Be sure to ask the fishery inspector from the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries Division. The cost for licensing the fishing vessel or send in email fisheries@moa.gov.jm 8769489149672819486933. Thanks for watching. Best of luck with your artisanal fishing vessel registration and licensing process in Jamaica. I hope this information is helpful to you.